Welcome back to my channel, Superstars, and this is going to be a colorful, warm cut crease eye in summer colors. So let's go ahead and get this thing started. Starting off with a clean face. Now I'm going to pick up my eye erase serum, and I'm going to go ahead and pat that under my eyes. And then I'm going to go ahead and take these eye guards, and I usually cut them in half because I don't like to usually waste a whole eye pad. And I go ahead and put one half of it under my eye. And now I'm just moisturizing my lips. And then I'm using my Essence eye primer so that I can prime my lids, and I'm smoothing that out with my Beauty Blender sponge, followed by my Black Opal Cosmetics concealer, which I put all over the eye. I'm using my CoverGirl medium concealer so that I can go ahead and clean up my eyebrows in my eyebrow area. The first color I'm pulling is Makeup Geek's Desert Sands, and I'm going to apply that into my transition area up to my eyebrows. Now I'm going to pull from my MAC Mischief Minx palette, and I'm going to pick up this color right here, Flaming Femme, and I'm going to put that into my transition area, slightly overlapping the first color, but not entirely going down into my crease. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend that out. Now I'm going to pull from yet another palette, and this color is going to be Vibrant Red, which is from Coastal Scents. And I'm going to go ahead and put that right into the crease, making sure that I intensify the color by layering it, and then I'm going to go ahead and slightly blend it out. Now I'm going to pull yet from another palette. I know it seems like I'm all over the place, right? This color is by Makeup Geek. It's called Shimmer Shimmer, which is a beautiful peachy champagne type of color that I'm using on my brow bone area. Now I'm going to cut my crease with Makeup Revolution's Cut Crease Canvas in the shade Etch. And I'm using the applicator in the bottle to apply. And then I'm going to follow that up with smoothing out the base a little bit with my MAC 242 flat shader brush. Now I'm picking up this very pretty sparkly champagne bright gold color in my MAC Mischief Minx palette called V Frisky, and I'm going to apply that to the inner third of my eye. Now I'm applying the signature color, which is Mischief Minx, out of the MAC palette to the outer third of my eye, and I'm blending it into that bright yellow color. Now I'm using the other half of the eye shield that I had cut on this eye so that I can get a sharp crease on the outer edge of my eye. And I'm going to go ahead and pick up this dark red color. Well, it actually is vibrant red, and I'm applying it to the very end of my crease of my eye, and I'm kind of slightly blending that into the Mischief Minx. And then I'm going to blend a mixture of these two colors out of the MAC palette, Schemer and Totally Trouble, into the outer crease so that I can darken it a little bit and smoke it out. I didn't want it to be a hot mess, you know, so that's the reason why I had the eye shield in place. Now that I'm removing it, I can go ahead and further, you know, intensify the outer crease of my eye and kind of blend it in a little bit more to make it a little bit more smokier. And I'm blending it out with my Morphe M433 brush. Now I'm going to do a thick wing eyeliner with my Revitre by Starlooks felt tip black eyeliner pen. I'm following that up by coating my lashes with my Rimmel Extra Super Lash Mascara in the shade Black Black, which is my favorite. I'm applying my favorite lashes. As we all know, they are Salon Perfect Wispies in the number 614. Now moving on to my face, and I'm going to start by priming it with Too Faced Hangover RX Replenishing Face Primer. It has coconut water in it, so it smells really, really nice. I love this stuff. It's probiotic based and is really good for your skin. I'm trying a new foundation today, and today's choice is Gucci's Lustrous Glow Foundation with Sunscreen in the shade 140, which is my shade range. I like it, but what I discovered about it is like a dewy finish, and it has medium coverage to it. So I'm not really particularly crazy about this or a big fan of it because I really like mattifying foundations. But for that sheer dewy glowy look, this would be perfect for that. So more than likely I'm going to combine this with something else in order to get a matte finish to it. This is my baby right here, okay? This is by Ruby Kisses. It is their Ultra Cover Dark Circle Eraser Concealer. And this one is in the shade Golden Honey. And it gives complete full coverage. I love this stuff. Matter of fact, I'm going back to the Beauty Supply store so I can get 2 backups. I rarely do this, but I'm going to go ahead and use a cream contour, and this one is by Smashbox in the shade 8.0, and I'm going to use this to contour my skin. I usually do powder contour, but I just wanted to do something different, so I decided to pull out Tried and True, and Smashbox is one of the best when it comes to their concealers. And I'm going to go ahead and blend it out with my damp Beauty Blender sponge. going to set my contour with the Balm's Take Home the Bronze Anti-Orange Bronzing Powder in the shade Greg. I love this stuff so much. It's the bomb. It gives me subtle coverage without it being too dark, and it doesn't leave that ugly orange undercurrent that I normally hate when I do a bronzer and it makes your face look like a carrot. I don't like that, but this one is amazing, so yeah. Now I'm setting my highlighted areas with a mixture of Ben Nye's Banana and Topaz loose powders. And right here I'm trying a little different technique. I'm going to go ahead and sculpt out my cheekbones by applying that same powder up underneath my cheek contours. Now I'm going to pull everything together by using my pressed foundation powder by Sephora in the shade Toffee Caramel. Time to make those cheeks glow. And in this case, I'm using MAC Cosmetics See Me, Hear Me blush from the Aquatic collection. And I'm going to go ahead and just spread that over my cheeks. I'm going into my MAC palette and I'm going to pick up the shade Flaming Femme so that I can go ahead and brush that across my lower lash line. And I'm just going to really smoke that out and make it as intense as possible. I'm also going back in the same palette and I'm picking up the color Schemer, which is a dark matte brown, and I'm going to run that across my lower lash line close to the base of my lashes so that I can get it to be really smoky. I'm going to line my waterline with this little cutie. It's called Stowaway Cosmetics, and it is their black eyeliner. And I'm also going to go ahead and smudge that into my lashes so that I can deepen my eyes and just make them a little bit more intense. I'm going to follow that up with my mascara, to which I'm going to apply to my lower lashes by Rimmel Cosmetics. I'm going to get my face popping with this loose highlighting powder by Shayla Cosmetics from the ColourPop collection in the shade Pose. I decided to go ahead and do two different lip looks. The first being a lighter pink neutral type of natural look. So I went ahead and lined my lips with LA Colors lip liner pencil in brown, and I filled that in with NYX Cosmetics Tea Rose lipstick, which is a beautiful mauve pink type of shade. And then I topped that off with NYX's Butter Gloss in Vanilla Cream Pie. now for the second look. I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with Jordana's Easy Liner Retractable Lip Pencil in Cabernet. And I'm going to go ahead and fill that in with this beautiful metallic red lip gloss by Smashbox. I believe it's from their holiday collection. Please don't ask me the name of it because I couldn't really tell you. I had purchased this on eBay. Where else, of course? Duh. But this color is really, really gorgeous, and I wanted to just do something that would contrast to the previous lip look. And it also ties in with the eye look that I did, considering the fact that I, used a matte red shade on the eyes. So I thought this would be perfect if you wanted to do an alternative to this look with a deeper shade of lipstick. You can use any metallic red lip gloss, so any shade will do. I just wanted to use this one because it was really, really pretty. And there you have it. That completes my tutorial for this particular look. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, please. And I will check in with you superstars later. Bye. Mwah.